The BSE Sensex plummeted over 900 points to sink below the 40,000 level in the late afternoon trade on February 1, tracking a massive sell-off in capital goods and financial stocks after Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman presented the Union Budget for 2020-21. After a highly volatile session, the 30-share index sank 900.29 points to 39,805.61. Similarly, the 50-share NSE Nifty plunged 248.05 points to 11,714.05. ITC was the top laggard in the Sensex pack, tanking 6%, followed by HDFC, L&T, SBI, ICICI Bank and ONGC. On the other hand, TCS, HUL, Tech Mahindra and Infosys bucked the market trend to trade with gains. In a proposal to simplify the personal income tax regime, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman, in the Union Budget 2020 speech, said the income tax rates would be significantly reduced for those who forgo reliefs and exemptions and the new rates would be optional. According to the proposal, those with an income between 5 lakh rupees and 7.5 lakh rupees can now pay 10% instead of the present 20%, while those with an income between 7.5 lakh rupees to 10 lakh rupees will see a reduced tax rate of 15% instead of 20%. Similarly, for income between 10 lakh rupees to 12.5 lakh rupees, the tax is currently 30% that is now being brought down to 20%. For those earning between 12 rupees and 50 paise minus 15 lakh will be charged 25%. Those earning above 15 lakh rupees will continue to pay 30%. Accordingly, a person earning 15 lakh rupees per annum and not availing any deductions will pay 1.95 lakh rupees tax in place of 2.73 lakh rupees now. Those earning up to 5 lakh rupees in a year will pay no tax. Income per annum. Proposed tax rate. Old tax rate. Up to 2.5 lakh rupees. No tax. No tax. 2 rupees and 50 paise lakh 5 lakh rupees. No tax. 5%. 5 lakh rupees to 7.5 lakh rupees. 10%. 20%. 7.5 lakh rupees to 10 lakh rupees. 15%. 20%. 10 lakh rupees to 12.5 lakh rupees. 20%. 30%. 12.5 lakh rupees to 15 lakh rupees. 25%. 30%. Above 15 lakh rupees. 30%. 30%. The finance minister added that those who want to continue to avail the exemptions can continue to pay tax at the old. She added that 40,000 crore rupees per annum will be revenue foregone from new income tax rates for individuals. More than 100 exemptions of different nature are currently provided in the IT Act. I have removed around 70 of them in the new regime. We will review the rest of the exemptions in coming years, she added. Plus, opting for the lower tax rates would mean that you will have to give up on exemptions such as leave travel concession, house rent allowance, standard deduction, deduction for entertainment allowance and employment, professional tax, interest under Section 24 in respect of self-occupied or vacant property, any deduction under Chapter YR like Section 80C, 80CCC, 80CCD, 80D, 80DD, 80DDB, 80E, 80EE, 80EEA, 80EEB, 80G, 80GG, 80GGA, 80GGC, 80IA, 80IAB, 80IAC, 80IB, 80IBA, etc. However, deduction on employer contribution on account of employee in notified pension scheme and for new employment can be claimed. The allowances that may remain are some transport allowances. It is also proposed to remove exemption in respect of free food and beverage through vouchers provided to the employee. Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman in her budget speech for 2020 has proposed foreign direct investment (FDI) and external commercial borrowings (ECB) in education. She announced that 150 higher education institutions are to start apprenticeships. Urban local bodies are to provide internship opportunities for fresh engineers for a year. In order to provide quality education to students of deprived sections, it is proposed to start a degree-level full-fledged online education program. Under the Study in India program, an INDSAT exam is proposed to be held in Asian and African countries. A National Police University and National Forensic Science University are proposed. There is a shortage of qualified medical doctors. For this, it is proposed to attach a medical college to existing district hospitals under PPP mode. For this purpose, the education sector has been allocated 99,300 crore rupees and the skill development sector has been allocated 3,000 crore rupees. Ms. Sitharaman also mentioned that the national infrastructure pipeline presents a huge employment opportunity. A national logistics policy is to be released soon.